I'm riding my skateboard today. No dirt biking. Going skateboarding. The courthouse was over there, I believe. And we got dressed like right here in this house. Right there. Right here, there's Chestnut Square. When you rent the place to get married over there, that's the church. This comes with it. 1870 Johnson House. So we're in Chestnut Square now. But this comes along with the house. You can get dressed in there and you walk over there and get married if you want. It wasn't much to rent it either. I mean, it was a lot less than other places. Now here's Chestnut Square. Big yellow house. Some of these homes were moved here. I've done a tour of this place before with the Boy Scouts and the Cub Scouts. We'll walk through it here in a minute. Yep. So you can get married here. It's right next to Highway 5. It's pretty cool. Church. They don't hold church there anymore. You can get married there though. Then you get married outside, it looks like now. I don't think that was there when we got married. And I've seen them doing weddings out there too. In a little gondola area. Yep. And the back end of that house like keeps going, it looks like. There's a cellar down there too. Or that's another part of that was a grocery store in the back there. It was over near our house at one point in time. I was told it's a good skateboard. Yeah, this is over near us at one point. It says Dixie's. Killis Melton. It's a little grocery store there that was near our house. I mean, before I lived here. And they moved it from over there to here. Right there. Pretty neat. This is like the little area you can get married. Back side of the house when you rent it to get married. Side of the church. Pretty neat. This is Chestnut Square. Right here. My glasses are fogging up. Whew. Yeah, here we go. I've been here with the Boy Scouts before. Man, that chimney's falling apart over there in that house. Yeah, most of these homes they moved here. There's only one that was actually here. And that red one was like one of the oldest houses in McKinney that right in front of me. This was like a little school over here. This was actually built, I think they said. This was built on the property. That one. Okay, here it says the oldest house in McKinney. Fair's house. Right here. There's a little plaque up there. I thought that red one was the oldest. Guess not. 51, 52. Don't just peek inside, it says. Join a guided tour and learn. Here we go. This home was constructed in 1854 by John Fairs. 1801 to 1878. They had come to McKinney from Tennessee 3 years earlier. Near his home, he built a blacksmith shop where he worked, which is back behind me. There's a blacksmith shop over there. He worked skillfully with metal and wood. He hand chiseled front doors of Fairs' home reflects. Oh, okay. And his hand chiseled front door of Fairs' home reflects his woodworking craftsmanship. The Greek Revival style house, originally located 1 block west, remained in the Fairs family until 1975. I've actually been in this house before, did a tour of it. Y'all see in there? To the back side. I've been in there. It's pretty neat. I thought this red house was the oldest one over here. I guess not. I guess that's it. Oldest house in McKinney, it says, right there on top. Yep. I thought this one was the oldest. There's the blacksmith shop over there. Taylor House. Right here. Yeah. What year was this built? Whoa, slick too. Built in the 1860s. The structure originally stood across the street from this site. Stood across the street from this site. Okay, it was sold in 1868 to Armstead Joshua Taylor, a cabinet maker. He married Tabitha Jane Scott, daughter of Collin County pioneer President Preston Scott. The Taylors operated the house as an inn for traveling salesmen or drummers. Because overnight lodging was available for 25 cents, it was called the Two-Bit Taylor House. Owned by that family until 1933, it was moved here in 1976. All right. I'm just gonna leave my skateboard over there. Here's a blacksmith shop. I don't think that's original. I think they built it. There's some goats over here. They got some chickens. Here's the backside of that red house. Some chickens. Hi, we are Henny and Penny and Henrietta. Huh. A few facts about us. We don't need roosters to lay eggs. Our eggs are brown. We lay about 1 egg a day. Hey guys, girls. There's 2 of them. Henny and Penny. I guess the other one's hiding. Oh. There they are in there. Henny and Penny. There's some goats over here too. And here's the back side of that house. Here's some goats. Batal like this. He raises goats. Y'all ever seen the goat's eyes? The slits? They're like rectangles. This guy, he's eating. Hi, how you doing? Look at their eyes. Got little slits. Like little rectangles. He's like, hey, get that out of my face. Yeah. Hi, we are Charlie and Chase. We are Nigerian dwarf goats. Charlie is the big one with a long beard, and Chase is the smaller brother. Oh, you're Chase. Like me, I was the little brother. Yeah, hey Charlie. The long beard, and Chase is the smaller brother. Our favorite treats are tree leaves, honey nut Cheerios, and watermelon. But only if it doesn't touch the ground, it says. We love to play. Yeah. You guys like that? I mean, I came here like 10 years ago with the Boy Scouts. I don't know if these are the same goats. It was the Cub Scouts at that point. Are you guys still you guys here then? You got some big horns there. You're the smaller one. God, my glasses are steaming up. There's the back side of it. Ah, you like it up there? Yeah. He's like, hey, get that out of my face. Alright. See you guys later. Ooh, you can spend money and feed the goats. Get that stuff out of that machine. Gumball machine. Oh, it was a 2-story house. Right here. Cool. There's the goats. The goats. And there's another home over here in Chestnut Square. Don't gather in groups. Maintain 6 feet distance. Okay, I'm gonna get my skateboard. Come here, Kryptonic. Here's the back side of another house. I believe they moved this one here too. Or I don't know, there was one home that was here. I'm sure it'll tell us. I'm not sure which one. And there's those apartments they built over there. Delaney Cottage. 1875 it says. Delaney Cottage. Yeah, I've been in there too. Did a tour with the Cub Scouts. They got like a little extra garage over there. Yep. Delaney House. Yep. I've been in this home. I've been in all these homes. There we go. The Delaney College. A surgeon in the Confederate Army, Dr. Joseph Delaney, died 1877, came to McKinney after the Civil War, 1861 to 65, and married Lucy Ann Field, 1844 to 41. Okay, here we go. Daughter of the Collin County Pioneers. In 1875, he built this Victorian home with its numerous gables and fine porch detailing. Ms. Delaney lived here until 1910 with her children, Corin, died in 1960, and Joseph Field Delaney, 1968, a pharmacist who donated land across the street for a public library. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, there's a library across the street. Well, there used to be. Yeah. I don't see it there anymore, though. It was across the street. Yeah, I remember that. It's like a 1970s looking. Maybe it's behind that apartment complex. Yeah. Yeah, there's some office buildings over there. Okay, here's the last home. This is the biggest one. I can't remember which home was constructed on this site. This is pretty big here. This is the biggest one. Pretty neat. Delaney House. Pretty cool. I've been in this house too. Alright. Pretty cool, the Delaney House. Let's see what it says up here. I don't know if this is the one that was actually here. Delaney House. Built in 1916 by Dallas banker John Field for his sister, Mrs. Joseph Delaney. This home remained in the Delaney family for over 50 years. Joseph Field Delaney, 1876 to 1968, inherited the home from his mother and lived here until his death, 1968. A local philanthropist, he donated land across the street for the McKinney Public Library, exhibiting influences of the Prairie School style of architecture. The house also features a wraparound veranda. Alright. I'm not sure which house was the one that was, we can't really see inside of it. No, I don't think so. Oh yeah, you can, a little bit. Piano over there to the left. Right there, that's an old piano. Huh. Don't just peek inside, it says, yeah. Cool. Yeah, you can see through there pretty good with this camera. Yep. Got the kitchen back here. See in there, yeah. Ceiling's pretty neat. The inside of the house, there's some Christmas decorations. I'm trying to remember which house was the one that was actually built here. Chestnut Square. I don't know if it was this one. I thought it was that one over there. That one, the last one we were at, that was actually here. When I took the tour with somebody, were telling us about that. All right, well, neat. Talk to you guys a little bit. I'm gonna skateboard around. I'm gonna go check on my Mini Cooper. See how it's doing. All right, bye. This is the Surrey House. Coming up the back side of it. We had our reception here when we got married. It's nice. You can get married there too. Yep. That girl's probably checking it out to get married there or have the reception. You ride off in like a carriage and buggy if you want to pay a little extra. Yep, the Surrey House. Weddings, receptions, parties. And now these huge apartments are across the street from it. They used to not be. I believe, I don't even remember what was across the street from it. I think some historic homes. I think, not totally sure. That was in 03. Still looks the same on the front though. Here we go. The Surrey House. Right there. And that goes into downtown. That's a pretty cool place. The Surrey House. Yep, pretty neat. I'm trying to remember what was across the street. Like I said, it's just big apartment complexes, a few of them. They just built within the last year or two. I don't remember what was across the street. There's historic homes or some fields. And they're building something over here. But there's Chestnut Square is where we got married. And after we got married there, it's like a bunch of old historic homes there, an old Baptist church. But we walked down the street to have the reception at the Surrey House. We walked down this street. That wasn't there, definitely, that apartment complex. I mean, it looks fine. They're building something here. I don't know what it is. But most people walked down the street when we did the reception. That Surrey House. Oh yeah, what do you call it was there? Don't kill me, people. The courthouse was over there, I believe.